This is of boiling noodles, so we'll on the gas and keep the pan on it. We'll arrange it properly, and now we'll add 2 cups of water in it. Now we will add water of 2 cups. I think we will need so water. I am taking half cup of water. So I have taken half cup of water also, and we will keep the water to boil, and then we will cook the noodles. So the water came to boil. Now we will add noodles in it, and we will mix it properly. Now I have mixed the noodles in it, and now we will add salt in it. 1 teaspoon of salt we'll add, and we will add some oil. And we will mix it. After mixing all, we will keep the lid in it and up till it came to boil. I am putting lid in it and let cook it up to boil. Overall, after 2.5 minutes, the noodles are boiled, so we will off the flame. And we will drain it. So we will let it cool. Then after we will drain. After the noodles are इसमें से वाटर ड्रेन करने वाले हैं, तो ड्रेन करने के लिए शुरुआत करते हैं हम. So we'll drain the noodles, and now we will put cold water in it from filter only. I am putting. So we'll let the noodles to be cool, and up till then we will chop the vegetables. मैंने पैन को गरम कर लिया है, और अब मैं इसमें तेल डालूंगी. It's only 2 tablespoon oil put it, and let the oil to be heated. The oil is heated. I am going to put onions. And we mix it. I am going to put garlic also. The onions are cooked. Now I am going to add green chilies, and I am not having the vegetables like cabbage, capsicum, so it is optional, you can add, but I am having carrot, so I am putting carrot only and mixing. You can take any of the vegetables if you want. You can take cabbage or you can take capsicum, but it was not available, that's why. Going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it. After that 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, red chili sauce, and tomato sauce also, and we will mix it. After that I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and Chow Means Hakka noodles masala. As per your choice, you can add it. Then mix it. Now I am going to add chow mein in it. You can see our chow mein. And I am going to mix it, and I am going to mix it by fork. You can see our chow means. You all can see how tasty it is looking. We will mix it properly, and I have mixed the noodles properly. From fork only I am mixing. You can see our noodles. And we will serve it hot only. And we will serve it hot only. See our noodles, how it is looking. So it's a new style of taking Chinese. मुझसे तो नहीं हो रहा है भैया उठाना. See, I am serving it hot only. You all can see the plate. You all can see the view. It's looking so delicious.